Good morning, my name is Christian Muller. I'm the CSO of the GROB Group, and I'm very happy to be here on the IMTEX 2025, a fantastic machine tool show in India. GROB is a family-owned company with more than 98 years of history worldwide. We basically build and deliver CNC machines for the whole industry. We started many years ago with the focus on the automotive industry, but we are expanding also into other industries, as the medical industry, the mold and die, aerospace. Today we build more than 900 CNC machines a year. We're also very heavily into the e-mobility side, transitioning from the combustion engine into the EV space. But today we're here to talk about the CNC business. And what we do are full 5-axis simultaneous CNC machines. We basically have the machine in different sizes, from the 150, 350, 550, 750. In the R&D, we're developing machines now to go larger. We're coming out in the next 2 years with a portal type CNC machine, also full 5-axis capable to work in this industry. So all in all, GROB is very dynamic, very focused, and since May last year, we built a production plant in India. We are here very close to the show to basically produce equipment from India to India. And as I like to say, we are an Indian company with a German DNA. So on the index here we have a G350, which is a full 5-axis capable CNC machine. The machine can manufacture different types of material, from aluminum, titanium, steel. We have many types of motor spindles, which we can basically, with different torque and power, accomplish every type of application which the market needs. We are definitely a company which are looking for the more challenging parts, the more complex parts, to fulfill your needs. We can adapt this machine with different types of automation. We can build in pallet storage system, linear pallet storage system. We can expand the tool magazine up to 500 cutting tools. So bring your challenge to GROB and we're going to find a solution. We see here on the booth also different parts that we are exposing from medical industry, aerospace, mold and die. We have also a schematic application of a stator assembly line, which goes back into the automotive business to support also the EV growth in India. So all in all, we are fully capable here to support you with the different applications and with the right people to find a solution for you. So from an automation perspective, we are definitely today selling more than 60% of our CNC machines with automation solutions. We normally start discussing with the customers today about the special automation that the customer wants. When we finish to talk about the automation, we spend then definitely time on the CNC side. So all in all, the automation is getting more and more important for our customers, not only driven by the fact that we're looking for the right CNC solution, but by the fact that we see more and more customers also wanting to produce during the night shift without anybody on the shop floor. And this drives the cost down and increases the efficiency of the GROB asset at the customers. The future plans for GROB are definitely to analyze and understand the market. Where do we see the market? We see India growing in the aerospace business. We see India growing in the automotive business, mold and die, and other areas. We see the importance of a lot of automation, customer-specific solutions, process to be developed and delivered as a turnkey solution. A customized, very good, specific solution for our customers. This is what GROB can generate. From a market and machine perspective, we see that the parts are getting bigger. So GROB is also going into a larger CNC package of gantry type CNC machines. This is being developed right now in Germany, and we are sure we're going to start selling those machines by 2026 globally and also in India. So we are very engaged, focused, and looking into the market to see what we can do to fulfill every single need in India, also in very complex parts to be machined. Thank you.